Hello everyone, this is Natascha update from Bliss Unity. Welcome to this live stream. This is actually the second try. The very first one didn't really work. So if you watched the first one, thank you for watching it again. Today I am going to talk about this secret ingredient that will make people know, like, and most importantly, trust you. So let's dive straight in. And why I call that the secret ingredient is because it's not necessarily secret, but because so many people don't really know that they're missing this ingredient within their business or more within themselves. Because normally when I talk to like a lot of people, especially when they're just starting out in their business and offering their services or offering coaching, they think that they need like the new cutting edge strategy. That is the thing that will get them clients, or they need this fancy one-liner, having like a one-liner is pretty much telling people in one sentence what you do. Or that they need to create like amazing killer content, which is definitely important. But if you're missing this one ingredient, nothing of that will convert. So, and that's like really the important ingredient, because this one will actually make you money. And what it is your confidence. And it's not necessarily the confidence within yourself, it's more about the confidence in your ability that you can get your clients results. So that's the really, really most important part. You need to be really confident and really know and believe it that you can get your clients results. Because that's the only thing they really care of. If they're following you, if they're watching your content, if they're liking you, reading your emails, whatever they do, if they don't have the feeling that you can actually help them on, with sharing your content and sharing your expertise, there's no reason for them to consume your content, to follow you, or to jump on a call with you, or even sign up and work with you. So why this is so important for the know, like, and trust factor. So when you think about it, if you're not confident in the ability that you can get your clients results, you probably won't show up because you have like a feeling that you're or who are you who can help them. So it's really about that it helps you to actually show up, but also how you show up. Because when you don't believe in yourself, that if you don't have the confidence that you can help them, it's really hard for them that they like actually what you're showing. Because it's the energy that you transfer within everything you do, in every blog post, but also in every video, especially on video, it really is transparent. So think about that. If you sharing something amazing because you know it works, and that's the thing about sharing valuable content, you show up in a whole different energy. But if you just found it somewhere and I'm not really quite sure, you're not having the same energy and you don't really want to share with that much. But if you have something you're totally proud of, you're going to get out there and spread it with the world because you know you can help people. And then also it's important to have the like factor, because people are following people and people are liking people who are actually confident, because confidence is an amplifier. It helps you to amplify your value and what you share with the world. And yeah, it really works like a magnet. And you can see that a lot of people are drawn to confident people because everyone wants to be confident or want to hang on onto a belief or like a knowingness, so to say. And the third factor is really about the trust. And that is the most important part when it comes down to actually sell your services. Because if they can't trust you, that you won't give them the results, they won't sign up. You really need to deliver the confidence so they can trust and they know they can learn from you. And if you have a sales conversation and you don't show up with the confidence and know exactly that you're the right person who can help this client, they see it, they can feel it, and they won't sign up with you. So that's a really important part, because if you're not believing in yourself, how would they believe in you? They don't even know as much as you do. So that's really important to have this in your sales conversation to actually convert them. The next thing what I wanted to talk about is why so many new coaches are struggling with that is simple because they're just starting out and maybe they've never coached before. So it's something completely new. And let me tell you that when you do something for the very first time, your confidence is probably pretty low, like especially like the confidence in that skill, because you've never done it before. That's why always the first time is always the hardest one. But once you're courageous enough and really took this leap and were courageous to act and do it for the very first time, have your very first sales conversation or your very first coaching call or your very first video or your very first live stream, you might be a little bit nervous, but after a while you get confident because you've done it a lot, like a couple times before. And I really want you to understand that confidence comes from competence. So it's really about practicing and doing it over and over again so you get better. So when you're a new coach and you haven't really coached that many people, or maybe you don't even have any great testimonials, or maybe you don't even have any testimonials, it's really hard that you show up with a rock solid confidence in yourself that you can get your clients results because you've never done it. So it's really a lot about the experience that will really boost not only the energy you put into in how you show up and how you talk to people, but also how people want to work with you and how much money you actually make in the process. So if you're just starting out, you just check in and have a look that you get some people on the phone and actually have this very first coaching conversation. And then you see the results you actually have because of all the skills or experience you have for yourself, you know already so much more than they do. But once you're actually in a call and in a coaching session and you can see how much you can help them, that will boost your confidence as nothing. Like it's like really the amplifier. And it really shows you, it gives you the evidence where you can really believe and trust and know that you can help them. But also, you can get an amazing testimonial, which also helps giving the evidence to other people. So this is really the easiest way in how to get started and how to build up confidence is if you never had one coaching session before, if you're starting out a new business or starting out this new thing, just do it, just starting out. Even if it's maybe like a coaching session for free. You need this part in your business. You need the secret ingredient, so to say, in your business in order to convert. And the more you do it and the more people you coach on a daily or like on a weekly basis, the more confident you get and the more confident you will get in getting the results because you pretty much see it. And that's really the easiest part. So there's no way around it from taking the actions. Of course, there's a lot you can maybe like boosting up your confidence, but it's like on the core, it really comes from action. Confidence comes from competence. So the more you practice, the better you get at it. So that is pretty much it. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you're just starting out, don't be afraid, just start out, just taking the very first step. And I promise you, the second time, you maybe have this very first coaching conversation, the second time will be so much better. So I really encourage you to implement that and taking the very first step into your business and let me know what do you want to do in order to be more confident, what you need to be more confident in. And tell me the exact action step, the exact thing that you want to commit on doing. So it's a little bit of social commitment here as well. So I hope you like that and I am talking to you soon. Bye.